Gemini provided me with this inside scoop on Jarvis. What is Jarvis? Imagine a superpowered digital assistant living in your computer. That's essentially what Google's Jarvis aims to be. It's not just another chatbot. It's designed to be an autonomous AI agent that can understand your requests and actually do things for you online. Think of it as a blend of Google Assistant on steroids and a really helpful personal assistant. What can Jarvis do? Web wizardry. Jarvis can browse the web like a pro, finding information, comparing products, and even making purchases for you. Imagine asking it to find me the best deal on noise-canceling headphones, and it not only finds them, but also checks reviews and places the order. Form filler. No one likes filling out forms. Jarvis can automate this tedious task, saving you time and hassle. Travel agent. Need to book a flight or hotel? Jarvis can handle it, comparing prices and finding the best options based on your preferences. Email and scheduling. Jarvis can help you manage your inbox, schedule appointments, and even draft emails. How does Jarvis work? Jarvis is built on Google's cutting-edge AI technology, likely leveraging the power of Gemini AI model. This allows it to understand natural language. You can talk to Jarvis like you would a human, and it will understand what you mean. Reason and problem solve. Jarvis can analyze information and make decisions based on your instructions. Learn and adapt. Jarvis can learn from its interactions and get better over time. What are Jarvis's shortcomings? Still in development. Jarvis is not yet publicly available, and it's likely still being refined and improved. Accuracy and reliability. As with any AI, Jarvis can sometimes make mistakes or misunderstand instructions. Privacy concerns. Jarvis will have access to your personal information, raising concerns about data security and privacy. Ethical considerations. There are broader ethical questions about the impact of autonomous AI agents on society. Interesting tidbits to spice up the content. The name Jarvis is likely inspired by Tony Stark's AI assistant in Iron Man, hitting at its ambition to be a truly intelligent and capable assistant. Chrome integration. Jarvis is expected to be deeply integrated with the Chrome browser, allowing it to interact with web pages seamlessly. Potential impact. Jarvis could revolutionize how we interact with computers and the internet, making our digital lives much easier and more efficient. Jarvis is an exciting development in AI with the potential to be incredibly useful. However, it's important to be aware of its limitations and potential downsides. The future of Jarvis and autonomous AI is still unfolding, and it will be interesting to see how it develops. I'm confident this information will provide a good foundation for your blog post and YouTube video. Feel free to ask if you have any more questions or need further clarification. And there you have Gemini's reply to my question about Jarvis. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.